Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Tucson vs HRV, which is better. Follow my step-by-step guide and listen for the features that matter most to you. I'll cover space, fuel economy, tech, driving feel, and ownership costs in plain terms. By the end, you'll have a clear idea which vehicle matches your lifestyle and budget, and which trade-offs are worth accepting. Looking at performance and economy, I'll explain how engine choices affect daily driving and long trips. Expect comparisons of acceleration, handling, and real-world fuel numbers, so you can weigh speed against savings. I'll mention when a turbo option makes sense and how driving habits change ownership costs. This section helps you decide if you want peppy performance or efficient, budget-friendly commuting without overcomplicating the choices. Quick recommendation and a small break: if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, I've been using leak-proof food containers that make meal prep painless and tidy, which feels great after long car trips. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab them easily. Now let's get back to the video. Now I'll compare interior space and technology so you know what fits your family and gadgets. I'll describe seat comfort, cargo flexibility, and which model gives more usable room for strollers, gear, or weekend trips. Then I'll walk through infotainment, connectivity, and driver aids so you can see which displays, smartphone features, and safety systems feel more modern and intuitive in daily use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.